Frequently asked questions about goal setting answered, and today's question that I am going to answer is, how are values related to goal setting, or how does value matter in goal setting? Values are what is important to us. When we say that we value something, that means that thing is important to us, and we have values which are directing our actions and our behaviors, and at any given point of time these values keep on changing. And this is the fun fact that you might be having different values in your subconscious, and you might be operating in different values when you are dealing with something, and this is the conflict that keeps you away. So let's know more about this in today's video. Hi, this is Dr. Ashish Nagar PT. I am a YouTuber and I am a NLP transformation and wellness coach, and I am helping coaches in building their programs and creating mindset. I have been helping people in getting out of depression and anxiety, and I have been practicing NLP now in all walks of life, and I can help you use NLP practically in your life. Let's move to today's question. The question that I am focusing today is, are values important for goal setting, or are values somehow related to goal setting? And I am here to tell you, confirmed, that yes, values make all the difference. Values help us prioritize what we are focusing on in our life, and that is why value has a very big role to play in goal setting. Now let me make you aware of one simple fact. When you find out a value list on Google or on any other search engine, and when you sit down to shortlist your top 10 values, I would like you to do this thing after you listen this video. And if you want me to help you out with finding your top values operating, you can fill the form that is given in the description. You will have a list of top 10 values that you feel you are operating on. These are your conscious values. When I say conscious values, I mean to say that you think that you are operating on these certain values in your life. But when you are goal setting, what you are running right now is your present program. That is the present version of you that you are working, and these are the values of your present time which you think you are working for. But when you need to go somewhere, when you want to reach the life you want to have, at that typical point of time, the values have to be different than the present time. You have to redefine your values for the outcome you want in your life. Probably the values on which you are operating right now are the best for you, and you are definitely working to the best. But these values keep on changing. For example, when you are working in a project in the office which is deadline based, you prioritize your work in the office, and your values are aligned to that particular job that is right now in question. But at the same time, if you have a relative of you who is in the hospital and you need to take care of him also, then along with this work also, your values will change and they will shift to family, or they will shift to social belongingness, or they will shift to social responsibilities. The values differ when you are on holiday, the values differ when you are in family function, the values differ when you are working in office, the values differ when you are in frustration, the values differ when you are in stress, the values differ when you have workload, the values differ when you have a lot of work to do in the office. So the values keep on changing from time to time depending on the environment where we are in. But if you need to have a exact goal setting, if you want to achieve what you want to achieve in your life, you need to have some consistent values in your life which will allow you to create importance for those things that you need to do compulsory in life for your future life and for your future outcome. This is where you need to understand what are the values you are operating on at present. Are they really in line with what you want or where you want to go or what you are doing? Or are these values completely different than what you should have for your outcome? What I have found out with my clients is that normally the conscious values which you prioritize consciously are just opposite to the values that are required for you to prioritize. And that is why there is a conflict in within yourselves, your own values, the values you think you must have and the values that you actually have. There is a difference in between these values. Even your conscious and subconscious values may differ. And because of this difference, in spite of all the hard work that you are doing, all the goal setting that you are doing, all the targets that you are putting, you are achieving the targets also, but you are not on the personal satisfaction level. A great gap lies in between the conscious values and the subconscious values. So how to remove this gap? The first point is how to identify your present values. The second point is how to identify your subconscious values. And the third point is, if they are not in line with the outcome you want in your life or with the outcome you want in as your life goal, then how to realign the values and how to install the new value list in your life. And with all these things, we have a procedure in neuro-linguistic programming known as value hierarchy. What is value hierarchy? We give you a list of values. We tell you to chunk it down. We tell you to find out the top values that you think you are operating on. You make a list of 20 values which you think are important for you. From those 20 values, you select the 10 values that you think are most important for you, and you are working on these values. And once you get these values, we tell you to list them down from top priority to least priority. And then we sit with you and we just explore your subconscious mind through value hierarchy, and we create your subconscious value hierarchy. And once this is done, you will actually realize that why you are not getting the results you are willing to get in spite of all the work you are doing. What are the values that you need to have, but what are the values you are having right now? And are the values with which you are working in line with the values of your personal preference? And see how differently you are creating a conflict inside you. If you are following the values of the company where you are working, but if they are in contradiction to your personal values, again a conflict is created. If you are working on your personal values and they do not match to the values of your superiors or the company's goal, then again you are creating a conflict. And that is why in corporates they align your values to the company's values, but they sabotage your personal values. It is very important for any business, for any corporate, for any sales, for any company to understand that the employees' values must be alignment with the company's values, and both these values should go hand in hand. Only then you will have happy employees giving you maximum output you wish to have from them. Value hierarchy is very important in hospitals, it is very important in corporate houses, it is very important in business houses, it is very important in offices, corporate offices. It is very important for a businessman and his team. It is very important in between the top management and the lower management. It is very important in between the salesperson and the sales head. And this is what we teach in neuro-linguistic programming, that how you can align your values, where you can even create the values of the company, keep the values of the company or your business or your profession, and equally you can keep your personal values. Along with that, you must have certain values which are necessary for your life and for the betterment of your future. Now, how to get these values in your life? If you are watching this video till this point, you deserve this. Make a list of these 10 values, paste them where you can see them daily. Do at least 3 small activities related to each of these values. If you want to create the value of health in your life consistently, you must do 3 things daily for health. So maybe you go for 15 minutes of exercise, you do 5 to 10 minutes of meditation, and you drink a certain amount of water that you think is right for you, or you get a certain amount of sleep that you think is important for your health. If you want to work on the value of longevity, you will do something for your stress relief daily. You will plan your future accordingly, and you will plan your retirement. You will plan for the financial management on a long term in your life, so that you can have a stress-free retirement and a long life. For a value of love, you will do 3 things which will show the gesture of love to your loved ones, to the significant people that are in your life, the people who really make a difference. And affirm yourself that I have to work for next 15 days or 3 weeks, 21 days on these 5 values, and do 3 small things per value for next 3 weeks. Once these 3 things per value for next 3 weeks becomes your habit, it comes into your behavior, and thereby it changes your destiny. So this is how value is important, because value is what is important for you. And if you are thinking something is important which is not important, you are working towards it, you are creating this conflict. We have to overcome this conflict. Keep the values, select the values that are important for us, and select the values that are important for our future, for the life we want. And let's work on it. If you want to have the value hierarchy, and if you feel that okay, I want to learn what is this value hierarchy and how I should do it, then please leave your contact in the form given below in the description. It's a small form, just fill it up, and I'll share with you the value hierarchy the format, and let's sit down and do it. Let's give it a try. Probably you might change the direction of the life, and you might even change what is important for you, and this might change your life completely. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification icon so that you get the videos that I share on regular basis. And if you feel like leaving a comment, please do not hesitate. Like and share the video if you feel the video was useful. Have a great day, have a purposeful life, decide what is important for you in the life, and work towards what is important for your life. The best meaning of the life you can give is achieving most from the life. No other service to humankind, no other service to humankind you can do than living your life fully. Alright, so have a great day, take care, bye bye.